Okay, so we are right here. So I need to attach this part right here and this part right there into the foot, and then it's screwed in somewhere down there. So I'm trying to find, I found some of the pieces already. So here's one. That goes in here. And I need to find this piece right here. Now first let me Google Translate what this is saying, because I have no clue what this is saying for me to do right here. Okay, after fitting, screw please do. Okay, so I need to put the part in and then screw. Alright. I can do that. I can do that. I just gotta find that part. I have to find it. It must be in this box here. Has to be, because it's not on that box, so. Yep, this is it. This is what I need right here. I stay at a regular hotel when I go to Japan. I don't do capsules. I need my space. So I just stay in a hotel room. Okay, what is this saying? This saying it has to be somewhat of a curve. Okay, so the thinner side is what goes forward. No, and there's an angle too to it. So the smallest side goes in this direction. Alright, so I need to make a mental note. And then this. Yeah, okay, I'm doing it right. Alright. Now, oh, I keep messing this up. Okay. Need to adjust. Okay. Alright, so this has to be screwed in. And I'm gonna need I need 19 and 10. 19 and 10. I feel like I just used 10. It's over here. Okay. So I'm going to need one of these little chunky guys. And I'm going to need a washer. This foot is huge. Definitely the biggest foot I have built. For sure. It kind of really stinks that Bandai won't reprint these. I really don't know why, because I feel like that people will definitely pay to get this. So I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for Bandai to reprint these, but I don't think they will. Although they did reprint the Zaku one a couple years ago when they did a collab with Mastermind. So I don't know why they just won't reprint them. Oh well. It must be because maybe they think these won't sell well, or maybe they just don't make enough money, you know, like return on investment by printing these. I really don't know. Okay. And this is gonna go into which hole? This one? I'm confused. Where's this go screwed in? Oh, I see. Well, how are you supposed to do this? Okay. Yeah, I really think I need you need someone else to help you build this. This is definitely be challenging on your own. Okay. So I gotta get this little chicken wing. Oh, this is heavy. Okay. So this, let me make sure I'm in the right direction. Goes into here, like this, and then I'm gonna have to have this held up here. And then this goes into there. I feel like this is too short. It's not catching anything. I'm confused what this is supposed to be screwed into. Let's try this again. This is gonna be challenging. First concert, I really don't remember. Okay. Let me get this in here right again. Okay. Did I catch it? No, I'm not getting it caught in there. This is very frustrating. I can't get the screw in here right. Why did they use such a short screw? Is this even gonna... How is this supposed to fit in there? There's no way. Okay, this can't be right. This cannot be right. It says this is the screw though. It's 10M. It's M10. This is this right screw. Let me see if maybe there's another size 10 and see if I can find another thing. Ah, this thing is digging into my arm. Okay. Let's see. I feel like that screw is too tiny for this. 9, 7, 6, 12, 11, 17, 18, no, none of those. Okay, so ow, you piece of cardboard really started to piss me off. There we go. Okay, maybe I'm just not forcing it in there all the way. I mean, I gotta like really push it. They want you to use a washer, but I feel like I don't think there's anything missing on this. They want you to use a washer, but I feel like the washer prevents it from catching the screw right. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna put it in this direction. And they're very strict about using this washer, so I'm going to try with the washer. If not, I'm going to take the washer out. Oh, did I get it? I got it, guys! Okay, maybe it's just I was in a bad angle. I don't know. A favorite teacher? What do you mean a favorite teacher? Like school teacher? I don't really remember high school too much, so I can't really say. Alright. It's like getting a shoe on my girlfriend when she doesn't want to go outside on her day off. Because it's her day off. Who wants to go outside on their day off, right? Just want to relax. Okay, that's as tight as it's gonna go. Alright, so we did that. Now, I think we're doing this the right way, guys. Okay. So next up, You know, I feel like I should get a webcam so you guys can see what I'm doing down here a little bit better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Because I can definitely set up a webcam to kind of show the bottom. I found this in California. Believe it or not, California. Brand new, obviously. Unbuilt. Okay, so let me get the other webcam. And I'm going to connect it. It'd be so much easier if I didn't have junk all over the floor, but it's kind of impossible with everything I have going on here. Alright, so I'm getting the other webcam set up so you guys can follow along better with what I'm actually doing here on the floor. Because this is where we build when we don't have, you know, proper area. I think this cable should be long enough to fit. Yes, alright. Now, let me get this set up. You know, I feel kind of bad because I didn't do an unboxing video for this guy. I totally forgot to do that. Okay, so there we go. Can you guys see the second webcam now? Alright, I feel like this looks a little weird, but we'll make it work. I'll put it right there. Okay, so or actually maybe over here. Oh shoot, what am I doing? There we go. Here. Move it over there. Okay, so now where were we? Alright. Let me get this camera into position. There we go. So now you guys can get a better look at the foot. Actually, you can put it over here. Yeah, because then that kind of covers up the mess over there. So here's a foot. This next thing I want to be working on is attaching the ankle armor. So I need this piece right here. So this piece, and then I also need the little side parts. Yes, Facebook Marketplace. Believe it or not, I was very surprised that I was even able to find this, and the seller had it at a very good price. So, you know, I've been waiting like a couple years. I've been wanting to buy this guy. Yeah, a few years actually. Maybe like 4 years, 5 years I've been on the hunt for this guy. That was right obviously in my price range. So now the only thing that's left is getting a Zaku. So that's the last one I need to complete my collection. Alright, so actually this guy is actually a little bit easier than the 1/24 being put together, which is kind of surprising because I really thought it was going to be a little bit more challenging. So I think it's because the pieces are majorly already kind of put together. So it's not that, geez. It seems like some WD-40 or something. And then I thought I saw them in here. Sorry, I need these. Yeah, my parents are the same way. So my mom, especially my mom was like, "You got a what? A what?" I didn't even tell her how much this was. I was like, I just said expensive. You know? Is that a nub mark? What the hell? Okay, guess so. Here. Do you guys see that little like leftover plastic? No! No black screen. Are you serious? Okay. I don't understand what's going on. Is it both webcams that are messed up now? Which webcam? Both or one? Both cameras? Oh my god, what is going on here? I don't understand. Because my computer is running fine. These parts like are really tight fit in here. Like it's a very tight fit. I need some clamps. Okay. It's hard because my hands, as you can see, my hands don't, like they're not big enough to kind of push it together. I'm weak. This is a freaking workout. Okay. All right, I think I got it pretty good. It's basically almost sealed, so I can't lay it on its side. There's no room. Like, let me show you guys where my work area. Like, there's no room here whatsoever. Boxes behind me. There's all parts here, and then all parts over there. So, just lack of space. So, okay, so we got it though, right? Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks official. So this is the left leg. Alright, let's look at what next I gotta do. So next up, I have to put on the thigh part. You know, this is going a lot faster than what I anticipated. Let me make sure I'm putting this in the right direction. Look at that. Looks good. Will this thing fit in the room? Probably not. I'm going to have to put him in the living room. So that's going to be breaking my rule of having Gundam stuff outside my room, this room. But, you know, just temporarily. Temporarily. And then, nope, these aren't the right ones. need to find the circle parts. I actually had to work, so I had to work the last 4 days in a row. So that's why you probably haven't seen me on Twitch or nothing. But my family did come up, so I got to hang out with them. And, you know, we kind of basically celebrated Father's Day. So, but yeah, I had to work. I worked Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today's my first day off. It's really nice. Yeah, I usually don't work 4 days in a row. So it was a little exhausting. Just because my shifts are so long. I need these little ones. Let's see. Now I feel like these are for the arms. These are for the arms right here. Here we go. These are the ones I'm looking for. These definitely not. An action base? This guy definitely does not. Can you imagine how big the action base would be if there was one? It'd be humongous. Wait, which direction do these go in? So they're all go pointing this way. Oh, whoops, I forgot to put in followers. There we go. Alright, thanks for the sub, FunnyTube. Okay. Alright, so there's that. I'm gonna have to get rid of these nub marks down the road. This freaking cardboard box is like cutting into my back right there. It's like very claustrophobic in this room right now. Black Sheep Rising? That's an interesting name. Thanks for the sub. The mixer got shut down. That's like the other thing, right? What do I do for a career? I'm actually a pharmacist. So, yeah. Not the most exciting career, but, you know. It pays my bills, so I can't complain. Lots of schooling. I hated school. I don't like studying, so it was very challenging, you know. Okay. I think that's it, guys. We built the leg. That's one leg down. Let me show you guys a little bit better, kind of, so you can see the scale of this. So here is the leg. Pretty freaking big. As compared to my leg, just about the size of my leg. Yeah, basically it hits right at my waist. So yeah, it's the same size as my leg. So yep. So this guy has the same stature. No. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but same size as my leg, and it hits me right at where my hip sits too. So in terms of legs, this guy has the same legs I do. Short legs, just like me. So yeah. Yeah, the first year sucked. That's true. So, you know. All right. So, I think I'm going to work on the other leg now. I'm going to move this one out the way. A bit easier now because I think I'm getting the kind of like the gist of how. Let me move this computer a little bit closer. So why did Mixer get shut down? What's going on here? Ugh, foot. Drink vitamins and take your milk. I don't like milk, but I'll take some vitamins instead. Wait, what happened to... Isn't Ninja like that Fortnite streamer? Like that millionaire streamer? Flintstone vitamins? Yo, that's throwback. I ate those when I was younger. Because they partner with Facebook Gaming as of today. So basically Mixer still exists. It's just going to be called Facebook Gaming now is what you're saying? Essentially. Yeah, I definitely plan on scribing panel lines onto this guy. Because I do want to give him a 3.0 makeover. So I gotta do a lot of panel linings and custom decals to give him a little updated look. Although I'm looking at the leg right now, it does have some surface detail, so it's not just a giant piece of plastic. But honestly, this guy has been so much easier than the 1/24th. So, been a lot easier to build. Okay. Next up, I gotta get this guy again. Make sure he's upside down in this direction. Oh, thanks for the follow. Wait, something's not right here. Make sure it all lines up right, okay? And then next, I need that other part again. I could have sworn I grabbed both of them. Yeah, here it is. The other part I need. Screw. What screw was this one? Screw 8. Okay, size 8. Need this long guy right here. Delicious and visually appealing cuisine. This is not that hard to put together. Gundams are not that hard. Need a sensei? Listen, all you gotta do is stick to the high grade origin line. Like, those are some of the best kits that are beginner friendly and worth your money. Oh, shoot, keep dropping this Allen key. Not that hard? Listen, okay, because look. I'm trying to read what you guys are saying, and I'm not paying attention to what my hands are doing, so that's why. Oh, that's funny, because I have a friend that, I'm not going to say any names, but he's always telling me to build his kits for him, and I'm not doing that, so. Because if I build it, I'm keeping it. So, oh, you still over here? Huh? I thought you were gone. Alright, now back to the foot. I need to, yes, I'm still wearing them. As you can see, there. Well, you can't probably see, I'm not close enough, but so in the beginning, when you first get these, you do have a lisp, because you gotta, like, your tongue is sitting differently in your mouth or something like that. And the dentist did say that after the first couple days of getting used to talking with them, the lips will either really minimize or go away. I still have a small lips. I can hear it when I talk a little bit, just because of the way my tongue kind of hits the teeth, my front teeth. I don't know if I'm explaining this right, but it's a very minor lisp now. It's not that bad. Before, it used to drive me insane. I'm like, oh my god, I can't talk right. But I really want my teeth fixed, so you know, gotta do it. All right, where is that other piece? Piece. You know, this would have helped if I just would have found both pieces and kept them outside. That's the leg. I need that. Where's that gray? I need that gray part. There's this part right here. Okay. I'm not working on nothing. I barely have any free time. I don't have a lot of free time in building kits. And if you're going to drop it off here, you're never going to see them again. So, they're going to be mine. I don't give away what I build. So, your choice. A snake hissing? Oh man, I feel bad. This speech impediment. But I'm pretty sure working with a speech therapist can, can really help minimize problems like that. Alright. So, okay, so now I'm working on this leg. So, again, this has to be at an angle. As you can see, there's a big to small. And I gotta make sure it's gotta go in this direction. So, reverse as the other kid. Other leg. This isn't all the way. And let me get the screws out that I need. So again, I'm going to be holding the leg here. Where's the washer? Some new kits? Well, what kits are you thinking about? I say you should get the new high grade origin kit. That's pretty cool. What about the real grade Evangelion? It needs some weight in the feet. No, I think it's pretty good. It's gonna get heavy, so. Well, I mean, I don't see the point of me doing commissions because I mostly just, do snap building. So what would be the point of me doing commissions? All right, now I gotta screw this in. Building is the fun part. I know that's the whole fun part of building. All right, make sure this is in all the way. All right, this screw is not catching again. Ooh, my finger! I freaking jammed it. Oh my god, I'm seeing stars right now. That's gonna bruise up really bad for me. I bruise very easily, and that's gonna be a nasty bruise. My thumb is like all pink right now. Okay, I need to be more careful. Lesson learned. I gotta really watch. I can't even feel it right now. It's freaking throbbing me. Oh, that hurts really bad. Okay. Alright, it's in here. You know, this would be really easy if I had like another pair of hands. But unfortunately, we only got 2 as humans, so we gotta do what we have. Frozen. Alright, what about now? I just restarted the stream again. I feel like it's the only thing that gets it to fix. So. It's a damn Mac. Oh yeah, I am pretty excited about that. Thanks for the follow. Yes, the new Perfect Grade. I'm very excited. I got the old Perfect Grade too. Ooh, shoot. I didn't realize how long this was. So I'm very pumped for the new Perfect Grade. I hope it's gonna be hopefully more along the lines of like the traditional Gundam silhouette. I don't really like the newer, like slimmer looking ones. I kind of like them a little chunkier. So yeah, but we'll see though, because they haven't really released any pictures, right? So from what I'm aware, there's been no pictures. There's so much plastic in this room. It's like I kind of feel bad. I'm like hurting the environment right now. Yeah, that'd be cool. I haven't built the old one, so I don't really know. But I built the MK2, and I had a lot of like open kind of compartments that you could open up and display the inner frame. So that'd be cool if it has gimmicks like that. I definitely would like that. You know, it's very nice that a lot of these parts don't have to be screwed in together. That's a nice change, and I appreciate that. Oh, back to this freaking dilemma here that I struggle with. Okay, let's try this again. They're like so precise. They like it barely fits in here. Yes, Woodbury, you want to help me? I have like a barrier where she can't get in here. Where is she? She's over there. And she can't come. She can't cross the sea of junk right here. So she's just over there watching me. She's been laying there the whole time. Spendejo, what's going on? Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get for right now. No, she is a Doberman. Yes, this is another one. So, another one. I know, right? Because I got none better to spend my money on. So, this is what I do. Now I need to find maybe these right here. All right. Okay. Same model? No. This is much bigger. That's the old model that we just built on the stream. That one, the 1/24. This is 1/12. So much bigger. Much bigger. I'm gonna have to take this apart. There's no way that this guy's gonna be able to move right. I'm definitely gonna have to take him apart for the move. That's okay though. I don't think it'd be very challenging to disassemble him. I mean, we'll see if I end up regretting this decision. But my original plan was to wait, But I didn't want to wait any longer. I've been just every time I come home, I just look at the box. I'm like, man, I really want to put them together, but I know I shouldn't, and I tried. Yes, we're moving out of here. So, okay. Next is I need the thigh piece. Sorry, Winry. Why so many of the classic Gundam I think he looks boring? Well, it's all opinion. This is my favorite design, so, you know. Some people find him boring. I don't. Okay. Alright, see you later. No, we haven't found a house yet, okay? People keep outbidding me. It's ridiculous. So, I'm going to be seeing a house later today. Actually, in like less than 30 minutes. I might have to end this stream in a few minutes. I just want to finish putting the leg together. At least that's my goal. Now I'm missing the lower ankle. Missing one of these. So where is it? It would be helpful if I wasn't so messy and cleaned up after myself. But there we go. No, that's not what I need. Is it? No, yes, this is what I need. Perfect. A 1-to-1 in the backyard? I don't think so. They don't make it. If they made a kit 1-to-1, well, I probably won't be able to afford it because it'd be at least like $50,000. So, you know, I don't think it would be in my budget anyways, as much as I would want to. Okay, now I think I have just enough time to put the waist together. So, let's do this, guys. We are going the extra mile here. Okay. Wait, what ratio? This is the 1/12 scale. Okay. So there's one leg. Which direction is this one? So that's this side right here. Be careful not to step on anything. There's the other one. I'm gonna have to probably move this box out the way. Okay. So, you know, I don't think we need this one anymore. Yeah. It's gonna be basically my height. Just about. Just about. Okay, so now that I made myself some working room here, I kind of have to space the legs out. So I think maybe it's about this length is good. Let me fix this. There we go. A little better. Okay, so the next part in the manual, I need to get the fat chopstick, which is this one, and this needs to be screwed in. My hair stuck to my pants. So I need to get. I think I have enough time. I really want to at least get this part done, but I might not have enough time. We'll see. So I might have, you know what, let me cut this camera back on. Oh, wrong one. Wait, how did I get this? There we go. Okay, so yeah, that way you guys can follow with what I'm doing. Okay, so here is the waist. And it's gonna look like this. No, wrong one. I need the other waist part. So this is the front waist. And then this one right here. Yeah, the cat's reaching for it, and the cat the tuna whacks the other cat in the face. So if you look at the cat's eyes, there are X's on the cat. So, alright, so I need this part right here. really fat. It's like it looks like a beam saber almost. Not even beam saber. Yeah, beam saber. Almost what it looks like. So this is gonna go here, just like that. And then what screw do I need? I need 2 washers. So I need 19. Put 19. Oh, hold on. I think that's my realtor texting. He's saying he's gonna be a little late. Good, so I have more time now that my realtor said he's running late. Okay, so I got 19, and then I need washer 18. And then screw 13. Okay. Washer 18. So 19 goes in the middle. And okay, so 19 in the middle, then 18. This one actually doesn't smell. It does not. It's not smelly, so that's nice. I was thinking it was gonna be stinky, but it's not. All right, and I need screw 13. Wow, this is like the biggest screw in this whole bag. I mean, the whole box. This is the screw I'm gonna be using. Pretty freaking long. All right, so I'm gonna go like this. And then I need to flip this over and screw it through here. What is this going to be screwed into, though? Oh, I see. Okay. So then I need to attach. I need to get 2 more screws. Okay, basically, why didn't it just tell me to do this 3 times? So I need... Yeah, okay. I gotta do this 3 times. Alright. So get 2 more of these screws. And then 2 more 19s. And 2 more 18s. Alright. I'm just really loving how easy this thing is to put together. Maybe it's because I built the 1/24th and it gave me kind of like a little bit of kind of practice on how this thing is supposed to be put together, but so far it's been pretty simple, I must say. Almost done with the perfect grade strike, not yet. Okay, so next up is finessing these screws. There's one. Alright, this one's kind of not going in there right. Oh, let's not fall on me. Alright, this one is struggling to get in here. What is it caught on? There we go. Okay. All the screws are in. Next, let me just cut this one off since we won't be needing it anymore. Okay. Lastly, this part right here. Whoa, what did I step on? Okay, I gotta be more careful. Somehow. Okay, this is definitely taller than me. As of right now, it's got a longer legs than I do. So this thing has got like supermodel legs. I'm going to gradually, it doesn't sound like it's catching. Definitely doesn't sound like it's catching. least this one sounds like it's in there. Alright. Something is wrong with this screw. Alright, that one's in there. The knees do not bend. So, remember, this one had like the chopsticks on the inside. So there's no bend in that. You know, it's one solid piece. And I actually kind of prefer that because this guy weighs a lot. So I think if there was a articulation at the knees, he will more than likely fall over. So okay, hopefully it's fixed again.